Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the specific volume of refrigerant -R-134a at a pressure of 200 kPa and temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. We can skip the free body diagram because there is none. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, to find the specific volume, we need to go to the pressure table for R-134a. So we're going to compare the saturated temperature with the given temperature. So 26 degrees is greater than -10, so that means it's a superheated vapor. So step 4, go to the superheated table, use the 200 kPa and the 26 degrees Celsius, and once you line them up, you will find that it is in between 20 and 30. So since it is in between, we need to linear interpolate. So step 5, linear interpolate. So this is the general formula for the ratio method of linear interpolation. So on the left hand side we've got the temperatures, on the right hand side we've got the specific volume. So you plug this into your graphic calculator, into your solver, and then you will get 0.116916 meters cubed per kilogram at the temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.